Good evening, everyone, and welcome to Stock Pivot Pre-Market Analysis. Let's deep dive straight into the key insights for the day. So we are looking on S&P 500. We are bullish in the market. So we are looking for the day low, 520.29. Upside, we are looking for 531.50. Anything above 531.50 will be a sell-off area, this one. Overall, for the week, we are looking for 541 resistance. This resistance, which is coming from higher high to the lower high, and another point right here. So I'm not looking for breakout above 541. So this is the another rejection area. So a good point to buy at the money put right in this area, 541. So this is the range today. We also have a trend line coming from the lower point to the higher low right here. So kind of it's forming in a pennant. So the price is squeezing in this area. If you look carefully, I'll show the range. This is what the price we are looking at. This is the range we are looking at. The price to trade in between from 520 to 541. For the day, particularly, we are looking for 520 to 531, $11.50 range for today. So this particular area. So this is for the S&P 500. This is the range we are looking at. As soon as you break out 531, there will be another sell-off. Right after this, market is going up with the gap up. So if you see first gap up here, second gap up here in the pre-market, there will possibly be another gap up at 531, and then the market will sell off right in this area. Moving forward to Tesla, we'll go to the daily time frame, looking for the long range, what we are looking at. So 217.02 was the previous low. This time, if the market sell off, we are looking at 206. We need to take this point down. So 206 is the bottom. Upside, we are looking for 291. 291, I'll be taking a short position on Tesla, adding merit put and this area, because this is where the next sell-off will happen. This is the area of next sell-off. I'll be going synthetic long, anything under $200. If the price falls on the earning under $200, like 196, 199, 206, 204, that range, right away I'll be going the synthetic long. So on the RSI, we have a bullish divergence. Stock is bullish. This is the current correction which we had yesterday is the wave 2. If I go to the smaller time frame, you'll see. So 30-minute time frame, this was wave 1, and we are in a correction of wave 2, and we are looking for the another upside before the earning report comes. Moving forward with Tesla to NVIDIA, I took a trade yesterday right in this area as it was alerted $100.74. We were looking for a drop. We got a little extra supply right here, a very minor. Right here, I got the trade. I'm still holding the trade. I'll be closing in the pre-market opening. So today we are looking for the first price target on NVIDIA to retest the 200 EMA from down. This one, this black line right here, 200 EMA in this area, 106.06. So from here, the price comes to this area. Then it will be an undecided zone, whether it will break out 200 EMA and continue to 111.44. So $111.44 in this area, but that's the next rejection. Price is not going to break out 111.44. So another rejection will be in this area. Downside today, we are looking for $100.45. If it comes to this price, right away, I'm a buyer. At 106.06, I will exit my trade. On a daily time frame on NVIDIA, right here, we are still making the lower low. So we are in a bearish trend. We haven't hit the bottom yet, unless this is the confirmed bottom, which is A, B, and C. So we'll see if this current drop, which is on NVIDIA, will hold into wave 2. Right now, it's holding, which is 97.50. If you look carefully, this was the golden area of the Fibonacci on the daily chart. So if this managed to hold this area from 186 to 97.50, if this candle or any further candle today and the next week, if it's holding this price, 97.57, it successfully hold this area, then we have a bull run. So the trend will change. So we'll make the first higher low in this area, and a trend will change like this. So there will be a new channel, upward channel starting here. So this is how the market will turn, and this will be the confirmed bottom of NVIDIA. So we are looking for today, upside, we are looking for 115, not today, I mean this week, Today we are looking for maximum upside 111.40. Downside we are looking for 97. 30-minute time frame. This is the range we'll be trading today. So from $100.45 all the way to 106.06. Anything above 106 will exit the position. Anything below 100.45 will right away will grab the position. Moving forward, GameStop, possibly we are looking for some news this coming week, possibly regarding the Bitcoin strategic reserve buy, but it hasn't happened yet. So what we are looking at, we are bullish on this one. Only condition is it's a retail frenzy stock, meme stock, which has a potential to squeeze. So the best way of trading GameStop is always trade with merit put. So if there is any pullback, 5%, 7% due to the market sell-off, so your put will be printing money for you. So recovering the loss from the share, the put side will make you money. So merit put is the perfect way of trading a stock like GameStop. Another stock in this area where you should trade with merit put is DJT, Donald J. Trump Media. Also, we will go to Hood. This is the stock. Yesterday we had this area confirmed. So if I delete all the drawings, so this was the Elliott wave on 30-minute time frame, A, B, and C. This is what exactly we were looking at. So this supply, the current supply right here, body to body. And then we were looking for this ellipse in the center right here. From this candle to this candle. This was the ellipse. And we were looking for the repetition of structure, this supply to be repeated in this area. And this is what exactly happened. As soon as the price dropped to this one, we hit the trend line downside. And we were outside of the linear regression. Means this was the point where the stock will bounce. When people from my Discord knows what ROS is, repetition of structure. We have worked on this in the training. When you see the first drop in the market and then you see the ellipse forming. Ellipse, how to identify the ellipse is both sides you will have the same candle. 99.99% you will have the same candle in the ellipse in opening and closing, no matter what stock, crypto, whatever it is. So if this started in ellipse here and you have the same candle, we knew it as soon as, okay, ellipse has formation. So what we are looking for the repetition of supply and we will have the bottom A, B, and C. This is where the C closes. So today we are bullish. We are looking for 41.72. Here is the POC line. There is a possibility on this one that it has a possibility of gap up in this area. This order block, this sell side order block before. So there is a possibility it will gap up in this area and then continue to POC line in the 44, 45 area maximum. So that's 45.12 or 44.21. This is the maximum we are looking at, the recovery on the Hood in this area, because this is where the previous rejection is. So maximum recovery and then pull back again. This is, if you look at carefully, this is also be your inverted cup and handle like this, and then there will be a handle which is further downside back in the 40 area, 40.50 something. So this area back. Overall market is bullish today because of some comments from Powell regarding the crypto industry, regarding the stock market, economy, inflation, and everything. So overall bullish. We'll see some recovery, nice recovery today. Any green position will be looking to exit and book the profit. Let's go to Bitcoin. Straight into this area, we are holding this resistance 85,044. So if you see that higher high point, lower high, so there is a trend line here. So because right now we are very close to the resistance, see that we are sitting at resistance. So first 30-minute, 40-minute of the market opening we'll be watching, next 1 hour, next 2-3 candle we'll be watching. If it break out this one, then we are looking towards $88,000. If it has a rejection, which looks like a rejection to me right now, because this candle, you see the bearish engulfing right here, the price is spinning. So if had a confirmed rejection, then we are looking again back in this area right here, 83,141.66. So the price will drop. If I draw the arrow, so this is where the price will drop in this area, right here, and then continue upward towards $85,000. So we are total overall market. If you look at the price, kind of be it crypto or stock, because last couple of days the market has been doing, everything is going up, everything is coming down. So they're behaving in a certain similar pattern. So that's why you see, be it S&P 500 or Bitcoin, everything is in the pennant. It's squeezing the market. So next 1 or 2, 3, possible another 2-3 days, you will see the market in the range bound, like up, then down a little bit, then up, down a little bit. So it's in a squeeze right here. And then we are looking for the breakout possible next week after the Easter holidays. So Tuesday and Wednesday area. So possibly next week, we will expect some breakouts. Moving forward to MSTR and coin. So we'll go for MSTR here. On a 30-minute time frame, A, B, and C, you see the Elliott wave has completed. We have also completed this inverted cup from here. We have taken down the previous low successfully. So this formed the equal low. So stock is bullish from here. This is what I'm looking at, 375.76, as well as maximum upside to here, this point, 386. So if I give you the point, this is the area. We are looking at downside 368, again look equal to this point. If it drops under the $4 or $5 right away, we'll take the long position, long synthetic, and exit the position in this area, 385 area. Going forward to coin is directly related to Bitcoin as it follow the similar pattern. If I get the entry at 168.55, this is the area that I'm looking to buy. Small position, long in this area. This is the area to exit. So this is the range to trade for coming week. So 168 to 179, 179, I'll be booking profit and exit my position. So this is the range I'm looking to trade. There isn't much of downside on this one. If you look at the pattern, we had a rising wedge, then we had a falling wedge. So the price, most likely we are falling this upside from here and then a pullback. So we will take down this higher point. First, this one, 179.79, and then here. Moving forward in this area, 185 area, this area, anything above this supply area will have a bull trap right in this area. So this is where the price will have a rejection, up and then down. So this is the area that watch carefully. This is the area on the coin we need to go covered or married put in this area, 185 area. Today, we are in good position to hold all our stock. We went uncovered on Tesla yesterday. So we are holding the share. We are not selling the covered call. It's good. Wait for the recovery to break out the neckline right here, 251, this area, 251, 252 area. This is where we will go covered today. I mean today or maybe possible Tuesday. So this is the area minimum we are looking for the price to reclaim, break this neckline of the falling wedge, make a bull trap in this area in 257, 254 area. This is where we go covered right away, because then there will be a pullback. Like first breakout from the falling wedge will be the fake, breakout upside, pullback, and continue upward. The main problem here on Tesla is stock is bullish. Overall, we are holding good position. The problem is the earning. On this earning, most stock which is reporting the earning, and they are falling because they are cutting down their guidance. So that's the problem in most of the markets. So be careful. Any stock you are holding, no matter what position you have, if its earning is coming, make sure you go covered. This is not the quarter to play the earning. If we do not buy any stock before the earning, it's not a good to hold any position exposed to the market. And the reason being, if you look at UNH, this is the reason. This is what the market is going to do. This is what will happen. Every single company which will report earning will cut down guidance, and that's the problem. So we missed UNH yesterday. I was working on this trade. I knew this will sell off, but we missed the trade here. There was a solid trade we missed. And the reason of why I was bearish on this stock, because look, the rising wedge, the price was going upward. We were making higher high, and the volume burst area right here, A, B, and C, and then the price was sidelined all the way for last 3 to 4 days. But price was sidelined right at the resistance. And this trend line, if you look at carefully, so look at this. So this was the resistance area. The price was rejecting again and again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's it, 20% drop. So when we have this kind of situation, the stock is going into earning, and the price is getting rejected by the resistance again and again, and then holding here for the earning, 99% chance the stock will crash. And this is what exactly happened here. So that's all for today. I'll see the Discord member in the Discord. We have this, I have a little few stock today, which is make sure not to hold any position. And stocks are eBay, Affirm, AFRM, Master, MA, MP, and Apple. Do not hold any position in these stocks. And if you're holding, go ITM covered, deep ITM covered, because over the next few weeks, we are looking for a drastic drop in these stocks. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for tuning in. And I'll be online again at 4:15 post-market analysis, and we'll see for next week how the market will behave. Today, we are bullish. So it's good to hold everything. We can take upside trade on the 30-minute, same strategy that we follow for the day trading. So 30-minute candle, 9:30 to 10, and then switch to the 5-minute for the day trading. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thanks. Bye.